Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will explore labeled and sensitive content. So the Content Explorer shows the current snapshot of all items with a sensitivity label or retention label applied, or that have been classified as containing a sensitive information type. So let me share a screenshot with you that will give you a summary of what the Content Explorer provides. Alright, so it will give you the visibility into the amount of sensitive data in a document that triggered the classification to be applied. It will give you the ability to filter by label or sensitive information type to get a detailed view of the locations where the data is stored. It will give you an integrated view to display documents providing context for the circumstances in which sensitive information is being detected. So this feature is compatible. This feature is a capability included with Microsoft 365 E5, Microsoft 365 E5 Compliance, Microsoft 365 E5 Information Protection and Governance. And through the Content Explorer, when you are on Content Explorer, you can search for specific sensitive information types, sensitivity labels or retention labels, or browse to the one you are interested in. Let me share another screenshot. So when you are on Content Explorer, you click on one of your sensitivity labels, right? And you click on that document that comes under. It will give you the location, right? SharePoint Online and the URL. It will give you the summarize, like the number of items meeting the classification you selected, like you see here. This is from Microsoft documentation. Additional information is available by listing the specific items, matching the label or sensitive information type, and viewing the source content stored in Exchange, SharePoint, and OneDrive. And after that, you can understand the activities related to your data through the Activity Explorer. Right? So Activity Explorer gives you a better understanding of activities related to your data. It provides visibility into document level activities like label changes and label downgrades. Like when someone changes a label from confidential to public, we can use filters to see all the labels for a specific label, including file types, users, and activities. Activity Explorer enables you to understand what is being done with your labeled content over time. And the activity types that are available for analysis are file creation, modification, or the file is renamed, or it is copied to a cloud, accessed by unallowed app. Let me share a list with you. Here is the list: file creation, modification, rename, copy to cloud, accessed by unallowed app, or file print, copy to removable media, copy to network share, file is read, copy to clipboard, label applied or label changed, right? And you can always filter the data using date range, activity type, location, user, sensitivity label or retention label, right? So understanding the activities users are performing on sensitive information helps you identify the right information protection and DLP policies to apply to secure your content. Activity Explorer gives you the visibility into the document level activities, like I mentioned, label change and downgrades, the last 2 points, and it will give you the ability to filter to see all the details for a specific label, including file types, understand a broad spectrum of sensitivity label activities across Microsoft 365. All right, so after that, we'll discuss how we can create and manage the sensitive information types. Okay, so I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.